When we want to make changes on a table structure and the qualities of a column inside a table in MySQL, we usually use alter commands. This is the name of a set of commands that we can use to add, modify, delete, or update columns and their structures inside our MySQL tables. In this video, we'll be talking about alter commands and how we can use them to modify and tweak our MySQL tables in order to make it fit to our needs. Basically, all of the alter commands have the same structure, but they're different in the action part. The overall structure is alter table and then the table name, whatever it is, and this last part is action that is different in each of them. In this video, we'll be working on each type of alter command and you will see how we can use them in real life projects. Here I'm logged into MySQL server and I'm using the database MySQL_tutorials. First, let's take a look at the tables by doing show tables. And as you see, we have a table called lessons. Now let's take a look at the structure of this table by doing describe lessons. And as you see, we have two columns here. One is ID with the data type int11, and the other one is title with data type varchar 255. Let's say that we want to modify this table and change the title column to varchar 100 data type. In this case, we can type alter table lessons, that is the name of the table, and then the action that we want to take. The action is modifying a column, so we type modify column and then the name of the column, title, and here we can type whatever we want. In case of the column quality, we want to change the data type, so we just need to type the new data type that we want to assign this to this column. So I type varchar 100, press enter, and now if I do describe lessons again, we will see that the data type has been changed to 100 from 255. This is the way that we can use the modify alter command to change an existing column inside our table. The other usage of the alter commands is adding a new column to a table. In this case, we can type alter table lessons, that is the name of a table, and this time add column. And here we can type the name of the column, let's call it description, and then the data type that will be text, and also another quality that will be not null. Here, when I press enter and do show table again, describe table again, we will see that the field description with the same data type that we set is here and it is not null. This is the way that we can add a new column to a table using alter table. The last command that I want to talk to you about is deleting a column from a table using alter table. In this case, we want to type alter table, the name of the table, and then drop column, and then the name of the column that we want to drop. In this case, it's description. If I press enter, we will see that the column has been dropped, and if I do describe lessons again, we will see that this description field is no longer existed. And this is how we can use the alter table commands to modify our table and tweak it as we want.